All right, this video is about reading .nc file, that is netcdf files in MATLAB. Okay, you can see I have downloaded this file, and I am going to analyze and visualize the precipitation flux uh, through this file. This data is contained in it, but it is this video is to learn how we are going to explore the data contained in this file. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to come in the command window and you have to write down the file name. File name is equal to, you simply just go there and select the complete file with extension, copy it and write it down here, paste it here in the apostrophe. So this becomes the file name. Okay, so this is going to be the source file. All right, so after this, now we need to display what is contained in this file. All right, so what we are going to use is there is a command in MATLAB as nc disp, display. Disp is for display. So ncdisp okay, ncdisp, what we want to display is the file name, the source file. Okay, so this command will show us what all data is contained in this file. Okay, this all data is contained, so we are going to be very focused in this video. I will not explain all the data. I will tell you that we are going to take care of this latitude, all right, this longitude, and the third thing which we are going to consider is PR, and PR is actually precipitation flux. So we are going to plot the precipitation flux. So these are the three variables which we are going to explore. All right, so first of all we name it precip. Precip is actually the precipitation flux. Precip is equal to, now we are going to use a command nc read, and what it is going to read, the source file, file name, and then in the apostrophe you have to write down the name of the variable which we saw earlier. So we write down PR. So it is going to display the complete data contained in the PR variable. All right, so this is the data, it is contained in PR variable. So now we have to adjust it according to the latitude and longitude, so we will have to take its transpose. So actually the precip, what we need is actually what it is precip, transpose, and transpose is with the apostrophe in the MATLAB. Okay, so precip is actually the precip transpose. So now it is framed as per the requirement to be plotted against the latitude and longitude. So now we see the latitude. Okay, I will all right, first we take the longitude. I will name it as, all right, longitude is equal to nc read, again the same command, nc read, and what it is going to read, source file, file name, and in file name what it is going to read, it is going to read LON, it stands for longitude in the variable's name. Okay, so now it is going to display all the longitude. All right, now we need latitude. I will call it latitude is equal to nc read what, again file name, and file name, and what in the file name? It is lat. Okay, so now it is displaying all the latitude. You can see accordingly the matrices are prepared. Okay, so now we are going to plot these matrices. I will name it as P for precipitation, P map. I will call it P map, that is the precipitation flux map. Okay, so P map is equal to, I am going to use a command p color, and what it is going to p color? It is going to first of all p color longitude, then latitude, and then what is the name of the third? It is precip. Okay, so it is going to p color this. So let's see what it is going to do. Okay, so now we got the map. But there are a lot of grid lines on it. So how we are going to remove these grid lines? I will call it P map okay, what I'm going to do is P map dot edge with capital E alpha. Okay, alpha, edge alpha is equal to 0. Okay, let's see now what it has done. All right, so now the grid lines are removed. That is good. So next what we are going to do is we are going to load coast, and then we are going to say, ask it to hold on. Okay, while it is holding on, I am asking it to plot long. Now because I have loaded the coast, so it is going to plot the long and lat in red color. Okay, red color I have selected because it has a blue background, so it will be dominant. Okay, let's see now what it has done. Okay, so you can see it has plotted the coasts. Okay, but it is halfway, so we need this area also. Okay, for this what I will say to MATLAB to plot long plus 360, so it is going to hold, while holding on, now it has plotted the complete map. Okay, you can see clearly now it has plotted. All right. Okay, what if we want to label it? Okay, I will X label okay, on the x-axis I want longitude. All right, it is supposed to be in the apostrophe. Longitude, and y label I want it to be latitude. Oh, again it is supposed to be in the apostrophe. Okay, latitude, and the title I want it to be visualization of precipitation flux, and I want also to see the color bar towards one side of the figure. So let's see now what it has prepared for us. Okay, I can see the color bar, I can see visualization of precipitation flux, okay, latitude, longitude. So it is almost giving us all the required data. Okay, one last thing, if we want to see this data in 3D, what we are going to do, we are going to okay, for seeing it in 3 dimensions, what we are going to do is that we can use the surf command. Okay, we will write down, if you want to see it in 3D, then I have saved the complete draft for you, and if this is the complete set of commands which we have used. In this you can see that in this command, okay, I have called it my map in this case. Okay, my map, in this you can see I have used surf command. So if you use surf command, then what happens here is it has displayed all the data in 3D. So you can see it is plotting the map as well on this floor, and it is showing the precipitation flux, variation of plus precipitation flux in 3 dimensions. So that is all from now. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.